If you want to know how to sign into Gamma app, this video is going to walk you through it step by step in the quickest way possible. Whether you signed up with Google, your email and password, or a company single sign-on account, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can get into your Gamma account without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Gamma app website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This is where gamma lets you access your account, and the next step depends on how you originally created it. If you signed up with your Google account, choose the Continue with Google option. After that, Gamma will show your available Google accounts, so select the Gmail address you used when you first created your Gamma account. If you have more than one account, double check that you picked the correct one because that's the fastest way to avoid login issues. If you created your Gamma account using an email address and password, then select the email and password option instead. On the sign-in screen, type in the exact email address you used when you signed up, then enter your password carefully. After that, click Sign In to continue. If your password is correct, Gamma will take you straight into your account. Now, if you're using Gamma for work, school, or a company team account, you may need to use Continue with SSO. SSO stands for Single Sign-On, and it allows you to sign in with your organization's credentials. Click that option, then follow your company login process exactly as prompted. In many cases, this may redirect you to a workplace login page where you enter your business email and password. If you don't get in right away, don't panic. The first thing to check is whether you selected the correct sign-in method. A lot of people create their account with Google and then try to log in with email and password, or the other way around. So make sure you're using the same method you used when you first registered. Also, if you're signing in with Google, confirm that the Gmail account shown is the right one. And if you're using SSO, make sure your company account is active and that you're connected to the correct organization. Those small details can make a big difference. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your Gamma workspace and can continue creating presentations, documents, or AI-powered content right away. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you sign into Gamma app successfully, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.